Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hazel and I share food recipes and travel vlogs from Goa and beyond. I know how hard it is for small businesses to work their ideas to life. Even I did struggle to hit the 1000 subscribers that I have now currently. It took me a long process. And to support the small business owners, I would like to showcase your products through a fun giveaway on my YouTube channel and Instagram page. So if you are from Goa or UK and you produce homemade products, food brands, or anything that is unique and relates to my channel, then please do reach out to me. You can either reach out to me via my email, so I'm going to put it on the screen and also in the description, or you can reach out to me via my Instagram page. Again, links will be in the description or on the screen. So all you got to do is just message me and tell me a bit about your business and what you'd like to showcase, and then we can take the conversation from there. So I have giveaways lined up for December, both for Goa and for UK. So all you small business owners, please do reach out before that and let's plan something really amazing for our supporters. So now I won't waste more time. Watch this entire video of chicken malai kebab and do let me know how you like it in the comments down below. Super juicy, tender and absolutely delicious chicken Malai Tikka is ready to be served. You have to try this recipe as it is a 10 on 10. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like and share with your family and friends.